Hercules' seventh labor was to hunt the Cretan bull. This bull was a ferocious beast that had caused great damage onto the island of Crete. To accomplish this task, Hercules went there and met King Minos, who granted him permission to hunt the bull. Hercules displayed tremendous strength and courage, capturing the bull with his bare hands. When he brought the bull to King Eurystheus, it was to be offered as a sacrifice to Hera. However, Hera refused to accept the bull. Ultimately, Hercules released the bull, and later the hero Theseus killed it. The eighth labor was to capture the man-eating mares of King Diomedes. Diomedes enjoyed wrestling and challenged travelers passing through his land to wrestle him. If they lost, he fed them to his horses. When Hercules arrived, Diomedes proposed a wrestling match. The fight was over quickly. Hercules overpowered him and threw Diomedes to the horses. The mares savagely devoured their master, and Hercules brought the horses to Eurystheus. Thus, the eighth labor was completed. The end.